How many of you out there know of somebody that's struggling to find a job, that's struggling to find a career? And how many of those people do you feel like that they would benefit from having a mentor in their life? And before you answer it, think about it yourself. How many of you watching this video had a mentor in your life? It could have been a parent, could have been a grandparent, could have been a teacher, could have been somebody that was in the career that you started that helped bring you to where you are now, that shared all the mistakes that they'd ever made and the lessons they learned and passed them on to you so you didn't have to make the same mistakes and you could be better at your craft. My name is Dennis Unger. I'm the founder, co-founder of the Field of Dreams TradeBridge. Tomorrow morning at 10:30, we have an online Zoom, free, that tells you all about what we do. And one of the things that we do is teach people how to be in the skilled trades. And it doesn't matter if you're high school, about ready to come out, college, a single parent, somebody coming out of the military, or somebody that just got their job taken away because of AI. And they're deciding that now they need to get a career that they can earn six figures right out of the gate within a few years and carry their career any place in the United States and be needed. Yeah. What a legacy to pass on to your kids. Come on tomorrow. And if you can't make it, go on our website. It's in the chat. Reach out to us. Love to talk to you. Yeah. Hope to hear from you. And I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.